Okay. I redid the repair on the door. The JB weld, I spread a little bit further. I used a slightly different shaped bolt, and then I let it cure for 48 hours instead of 24 to guarantee that it was set. And hopefully that will give it more surface area and a better hold. Okay, so I had the 503 set for straight stitch, and it's on the center mark for the needle position. And I'm going to move it to the left side mark, and then to the right side mark. There we go. And we'll see this tiny gap on the edge of the needle plate. It was hitting ever so slightly on there, which might explain why the needle was bending, but I also think is why it skipped that single stitch on the right hand side after I got the needle bar set to catch all the stitches on the left. So I'm going to show you the link that I adjusted to get that to have the very tiniest space here now. Because now when it's on full zigzag, it goes left to right, but you can see it does not hit on the right hand side anymore. And it was striking on the right hand side. Okay, so that left and right needle position is for this following linkage. So here's the follower that follows the cam, and then there's a screwdriver or a screw here, and the screw on the back side here, and this screw that's barely visible. Okay, this screw that's visible now, this screw is just a clamping screw, and this big black screw head has a cam underneath it. These little flats on the side of this are so you can turn the cam under this black screw. So you loosen this screw here, and you loosen this black set screw, and then you gently rotate this cam, and that adjusts the left to right needle position so that it doesn't hit the left or right side of the needle hole.